It is possible to have multiple windows open in SOLIDWORKS at the same time. But as you know, it can be a good idea to close some of them due to performance. Most of the time you maximize and restore the window and press close. Or you use the close all command. However, there is a faster way to close some of the windows. Simply hold Ctrl and press Tab and keep Ctrl pressed. This will give you an overview of the different models and windows, and will make it easier to decide which ones to close by pressing the X as shown. The Ctrl Tab command can also be used to switch between the different open windows.